What's up, everybody? This is Cadillac Mack, and I'm back with another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this Skar audio amplifier. It's an 800-watt amplifier by one channel, and it's not going to be an actual amp test. It's just an unboxing. I'm going to just show you what comes in the box, the dimensions, size comparison, stuff like that. So if you want to know what you get when you order one of these things, stay tuned. Remember, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and all that. So we got several packages in here from Skar Audio. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. These things have weight to them too. So what we gonna unbox first is this amp, one amplifier. And I'm gonna let you guys see the stats on that. So I bought this amp for about 120 bucks online directly from the Skar Audio website. They were having a sale for Black Friday, but they always have sales for every holiday. New Year's, New Year's Eve, Veterans Day, they always have a sale. I think the regular price of this amp was like $160 something or $180 something like that, but I paid $120. There's plenty of videos online of testing this amp. I'm just gonna do an unboxing, show you guys what comes in the box. It's gonna be a real quick video. I'm gonna give you guys size comparison, just in case you want to order one for yourself. You kind of know what to expect. Nice package, nice box. Another box. Shit. And this is the amp, my guys. Comes with a little Allen wrench. I'm assuming this little box right here is a bass knob. I'm assuming. Yep. You can see that. Oh, it mounts like this. Smooth, very smooth. It's like auxiliary wires. It's like a good little amount too, good little distance. Now let me take this out of plastic so y'all can really see what I'm working with. This is a 800 watts by one channel, and I mean, it's not that big actually. It's like smaller than the laptop, diameter wise, I guess you could say. It's about 2 inches thick. Let me see if I can find something. For comparison reasons, this is a bottle of Simply Apple. It's the same container that all the Simplies come in. So it's about the size, lengthwise, of a Simply container. Almost exactly. Minus the terminals on this end, of course. For those of you who don't drink Simply, or for my Spanish people, this is a Coke glass. Some people call it Mexican Coke, but I just call it Coke because that's all I drink. And yeah, that's how big it is. Not very big. And like I say, it's only about 2.5 inches thick. Probably about 2.5 inches thick. Very solid. Very solid case. I mean, very solid. I'm gonna take this off later on in the video just so you can see underneath it and see all that stuff. You got your speaker terminals right here. Nice size. Battery, ground terminals, nice size. You got your RCA input, remote input. You got your bass EQ right there, gain. Overall, it looks like a solid amp. I'm pretty impressed. This is what the Allen wrench is for. Obviously, you take this, and if you want to adjust, clamp down, whatever, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna unscrew the back of this and let y'all see on the inside. I am not a freaking electrical engineer or anything like that. So once I unscrew this and show the back of it, I'm not gonna be able to explain none of this stuff. But if you know what all this stuff on the inside does and means, I mean, before you buy it, if it's something you want to see, I'm gonna unscrew it just so you can see it. Now again, I have no idea what any of this stuff does. I am not that technically sound when it comes to this stuff. But if you know what all this stuff is, I mean, here's a look at it. Here's the insides. So if you know what you're looking at, this is what you get when you order one of these amps. But don't ask me what any of this stuff does. All I know is the amp works, and that's it. This amp also comes with an instruction manual that has a bunch of different like wiring guides in it. If you have 2 amps, 2 subs, or however, it has all the specs and stuff to the amp if you're one of those type of guys. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll actually hook this speaker up to a sub, and you'll get to see it work. You get to see it move, hear how it sounds with a sub. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, I'm Cadillac Mack, and I'm out.